Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to build a totally custom website from a huge selection of templates. To do it only in a few hours and at the lowest possible cost. Here are a few examples of what your site could look like. We are going to use a Canadian web hosting company with global servers so that no matter where your page viewers come from, to get lightning fast loading times. There are 3 steps to web design. First is hosting, next is the design software, and finally is the plugins that make building drag and drop and easy, no coding necessary. The only part that costs money is the hosting, and I'm going to show you how to get a great deal at only $3 a month. WordPress and plugins for building the site are totally free, so if you're ready, let's jump into it. In this video, I'm going to give you a broad overview of how we're going to design and download all the things necessary for your website. And in part 2 that's already uploaded and available by clicking the second link in the video description, I'm going to go through the entire process step by step of doing it. So if you already understand hosting and plugins, then feel free to skip this video and click that link right now. There are so many web hosting companies out there, and not all of them are beginner friendly, so it's important you choose the right one. The web hosting service we'll be using is called Green Geeks, and I chose them for a few reasons that make them the best options for beginners. First off, they're super affordable. They have a 99.9% uptime guarantee. Their base plan includes 25 gigabytes of storage, which is more than double what some of the competitors offer at the same price. You also get a free domain for your first year, and they're eco-friendly, so it's a no-brainer. Alright, so the first step is hosting the website. That means getting your website name and getting it live on a server. The second is downloading the software called WordPress, which is kind of like the software that you have on your desktop computer. And then the third step is downloading the plugins, which are basically like apps that you have on your computer that allow you to do things. So in the context of this website, what it's going to allow us to do is maybe have pages that for contact or a shopping page, so on and so forth. Alright, now let's set up your web hosting at a discount. To get the special deal, just click on the affiliate link in the video description. It'll take you straight to the Green Geeks homepage. Once you're there, hover over WordPress and click Hosting for WordPress. We're going to scroll down and go with the base plan, since it already includes everything you need to start your site. The only reason you'd upgrade now is if you plan to build multiple websites at once. But don't worry, you can always upgrade later. Next, choose your domain name. This will be your website's address. Pick something that's short, memorable, and related to your site. Then choose your top-level domain. I'm going with theclassic.com. Once that's done, click Next. Go ahead and pause the video while you fill in your personal details. After everything's filled out, click Create Account, and you're good to go. Now you'll get an email with your login information. Click on the login link, and this will take you to the page where you enter your login information. Once you've logged in, click on Hosting in the menu on the left. Now find your website name and click Manage. From here, select Setup Wizard. This is where we'll start getting everything ready for WordPress. Now click on Start New Website, and then select WordPress. Press Continue. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. Press Create Website. This can take a few minutes, so be patient.